Hi, my name is Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to go over a few tips and tricks that you can start doing to help bring in more customers to your business through your website. This is just a quick scratch of the surface as far as SEO is concerned, and some, just like I said, tips and tricks that you could do yourself for free to help bring in more customers. So if at the end of this video you like what you heard and you want to see what other tips and tricks that I have and strategies that we utilize to improve your digital marketing and get you to the top of Google and more business, then go ahead and shoot me an email back or call me. We can set up a more in-depth meeting. But without further ado, let's dive right into it and get to the custom SEO video promised. So first I'll say I do like the setup of your website. I like the photos scrolling through, showing your work. I like some of the explanation here, what you guys do exactly. Looks like you guys have a large area you service. And I do like the colors and everything. It's a pretty good looking, clean website. But what we want to talk about is one of the SEO tricks, and that's just going to be content. So Google released that they want to see about a minimum of 1,500 words to be fully optimized within their platform. So with that being said, we want to see how many words you have. It doesn't look like 1,500, but maybe you do. So we do a quick search in a tool called SEO Quake here. And we can see you have 836 words, which isn't bad, but you're not meeting that 1,500. Now, the 1,500 words really, it's not going to make or break your site, but what it will do is it'll check that box for Google to say, hey, this is a reliable website, and help bring you up through the rankings. Now, the second thing that it does, and it's going to be my second point, is it allows you to get more keywords on your page. So the way keywords work is if you type something into Google, then the algorithm is going to scrub all the pages and try to find those words or words similar. So for example, I typed in construction, Albany, New York, since you're near there, and we can see that your number one competitor is this Bennett Contracting right here. So their website's also pretty nice and clean, but let's see more in depth what I'm talking about with keywords. So if we go to this tool right here called Ahrefs, we can see that they have about 47,000 words they're being found for, which is a ton. And we can look more in depth to even see what those words actually are. So for example, they're being found for words such as Bennett Contracting. 700 people are searching for that a month, and they're in the second position. Bathroom remodeling, Albany, 200 people. Siding contractors, Albany, 150 people. Contractors, 250, so on and so forth. All of these words, when someone types into Google, this is their position. So as you can see, it definitely pays, because to be at the second position, 700 of those searches, you've got a good chance of landing one of those to click on your page. Now, with that said, 80% of people don't scroll past the first page of Google. So if you're anywhere past that, then there's a good chance that you're never going to be seen. So let's look at yours. We can see you're being found for only 24 keywords. And if we look at those keywords, we can also see your placement. 7. And it only goes down. So we can see the highest you are is 7. And there's usually 10 on a page. However, that could also include, Angie's and all of those directories. And if anyone's buying an ad, then it's going to push you down. So there's a good chance you're not getting a lot of these clicks. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is going to be backlinks. Now, what a backlink is, it's a link from one website to another website. And when that happens, it sends some of its power. This is offsite SEO and what we really focus on because Google cares the most about this. They want to see that you have the most sites point at you, showing Google that you're the authority. So as we can see here, this is your competitor. They have 1.8 thousand backlinks with a 18 DR. And here's you. You have 456 backlinks with a 2.6 DR. Now, DR is just simply domain rating, and that's strongly based on your SEO, aka your backlinks, and primarily the strength of your backlinks. So if they're coming from good sources or bad sources, and how many you have. Lastly, we're seeing that you're getting 7 clicks a month, where your competitor is getting 773. So you just have to remember that you want to have good quality backlinks. Now, in closing, we touched on 3 tip of the surface points of SEO. We talked about content, we talked about keywords, and we discussed SEO via backlinking. Now, you can implement these strategies we talked about today for free, and you'll definitely start rising through the ranks of Google. But if you want to get to the first page and you want to hear what other strategies we use to ensure our customers are getting more clients in their business, then go ahead and give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.